In this video, I'll show you how to send large files using Google Drive. To begin, open Gmail and click on Compose in the top left corner. This will open a new email window. At the bottom of the window, you'll see several icons. Click on the Google Drive icon located to the right of the emoji button. This will open a new window where you can upload a file to Google Drive. Next, select Upload and choose a file from your device. For example, let's select a 28 MB video file. Because the file is larger than 25 MB, Gmail will automatically share it as a Google Drive link, which works perfectly. Once you've chosen your file, click Upload. The file will start uploading to Google Drive and will automatically attach to your email. After the upload is complete, add the recipient's email address and a subject, then click Send. The recipient will receive your email with the large file shared via Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.